This is perfect for Thanksgiving, side dish or a vegan main. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making vegan pumpkin gnocchi. Following the old tradition of the Venetian spice merchant, we are seasoning them with cinnamon and walnuts in Italian gnocchi alla cannella. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the descriptions below. Place the cubed pumpkin on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Season with salt and olive oil. Roast in an oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for 45 minutes. Ensure the pumpkin is well cooked and dry to avoid adding too much flour later. In the meantime, boil in salted water the potatoes for 20 to 25 minutes. Do not peel them before boiling, as they will absorb too much water. When they are ready, drain them. While the potatoes are still warm, peel them and remove the skin from the pumpkin. Use a potato ricer to mash the potatoes and pumpkin together in a large bowl. This is very time consuming and the potatoes are boiling hot. If you have a KitchenAid with a vegetable strainer, you can skip the peeling and mash the potatoes and pumpkins together effortlessly. The skin is separated automatically. Let them cool down to room temperature before proceeding. Once they are cold, combine the mashed potato and pumpkin mixture with flour and a teaspoon of salt. Have you ever found yourself forgetting the next step of a recipe right in the middle of cooking? No need to fiddle with your phone or cookbook. Grab your phone on this smart kitchen towel and scan the QR code to go directly to the recipe. Find it in your Guardian Chef shop. Practical kitchen items that make cooking easier. Wipe your hands, glance down, and you're back to cooking. True kitchen convenience. Place the dough over a floured surface. Mix until a smooth dough forms. If the dough is too sticky, add a small amount of flour. Don't add all the flour at once, add only the amount you need to reach the right consistency. Take a dough ball, the size that fits in your palm. Roll it into a long rope on a floured work surface. Cut the rope into small, equal pieces using a bench scraper. Gently press them over the back of a fork to create the classic rigid pattern. Spread the uncooked gnocchi on a clean floured work surface. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the gnocchi in batches, ensuring they are in a single layer. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes until the gnocchi float to the top of the water. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the cooked gnocchi to a large pan with the seasoning. Here I use butter, but you can use olive oil for a vegan version. Sprinkle the gnocchi with grated wild nuts and cinnamon and serve while still warm. Since they contain no egg or ricotta, they make an excellent choice for a vegan Thanksgiving dinner. For more gnocchi recipes, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to serve them with my turkey and cranberry sauce.